Hello and welcome to Weekend Projects. I'm Bree Pettis, and every week I bring a project that you can make over the weekend. This weekend, we're going to make a biosphere. A biosphere is a contained system which takes care of everything within the closed system. For example, the Earth is a biosphere, and it's sometimes called Biosphere 1. Biosphere 2 was this experiment done from 1991 to 1993. It was a closed system and people lived in it, but it had all sorts of problems. Oxygen levels fell, all pollinating insects died, they pretty much just ate bananas. There had been all this research done in Antarctica at Antarctica research stations about dealing with people in really closed environments, and they didn't pay attention to any of that research. Bios 3 totally ruled though. It was in the former USSR and in Siberia, and basically they figured out that 8 cubic meters of algae could sustain enough oxygen for one human being. That's pretty cool. We're going to make a tabletop biosphere as seen in Make Volume 10. This is an article by Martin John Brown, and I'll include this article in the PDF that goes along with this podcast. There's all the instructions and all the supply lists, everything you need to get started. Okay, first stop, the aquarium store. I'm back and I've got some aquatic plants and a shrimp and some snails in here. I also got a bunch of chemicals that I'm going to have to mix up just to, keep everything good. Off to the pond to go collect some amphipods. I've dipped my container into the water and I've come up with this. There's all sorts of little milfoil and this thing is filled with little critters. I'm not sure what they are. Some of them look like little lychee bits and other ones are swimming around, but I think I found some amphipods. This will be perfect. Now I'm going to make some nitrate poor fresh water. I'm going to do that by taking a gallon of water and then dechlorinating it. And then I'm going to add chiclet salts, which will add all sorts of minerals which are good for all the little living things in my biosphere. I'm going to use this pickle jar for my biosphere. There's still a few pickles left, but that's okay. I'm going to wash this up first. Hopefully I've got the perfect mix of plants producing oxygen and animals producing carbon dioxide, so it'll work out perfectly. There's the little shrimp right down there. Oh, there we go. Okay, now it's time for you to make a biosphere. Go ahead and put it all together, create a world here. And if you do, make sure to take pictures of it and upload it to the Make Flickr pool. Okay, go make a biosphere. Have a great weekend.